The outspoken war veteran and fierce critic of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, Blessed Geza, has gone into hiding after police announced on Wednesday that they are seeking his arrest on multiple criminal charges. Sanabira mashuko atunati panguva ino ichionekwa nevakomana the regime, vakomana vari linked kune mutungamiri wenyika Masadamso Mnangagwa vari in panic mode. Toona kuti Geza, a critic wemutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe, oshayikwa mawhereabouts ake ndobva subscribe like turn the bell icon. According to a statement released by the Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP on February 12, 2025, Geza is wanted for alleged theft, undermining the authority of the president, and incitement to commit public violence. However, the charges are widely seen as politically motivated, aimed at silencing one of Mnangagwa's most vocal opponents. Geza's supporters argue that the accusations are a ploy to neutralize him ahead of a potential showdown within ZANU-PF. This is a classic Mnangagwa regime tactic, using law enforcement to silence those who expose corruption and demand accountability, said the war veteran, aligned with the Vice President Constantino Chiwenga scam. Geza has been relentless in the criticism of Mnangagwa's alleged misgovernance, corruption, and push for an unconstitutional third term. He has also accused the president of reneging on a supposed gentleman's agreement with the Chiwenga, under which power was expected to rotate after 2 terms. Mnangagwa's refusal to step down has fueled tensions within ZANU-PF, with the factions now openly expressing their discontent. Calls for his resignations have intensified following Chiwenga's speech at the National Heroes Acre last week, where he made a thinly veiled attack on corrupt businessmen linked to the president. Tomas Kwanonkonzi panguva ino tiona vakomana vari loyal nemutungamiri wenyika panguva ino vachipanika, tichiona vachitanga kutsvagwa naBlessed Geza macritics. Zvinyazobuda pachena kuti vakomana they want to silence my voices ari vachivaexposa kuti varege kuatenda their 2030 agenda. Tudze mafungiro emoti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Ndakumasection medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.